This is Thomas, and this is tip of the week number 46. This week I'm going to show you how to create a cast unit in our impact production software, and of course this happens through the resource manager. So with no further ado, I would like to jump directly into the software and show you that if you open the resource manager and you go to the settings, you can go all the way here to the left and go down, and of course go to the cast units. However, if you have just purchased the software and you would like to do something like that yourselves, you will realize very fast that if you go down to your software, you will see that there is no possibility for you to create cast units, and that is because we have to go through a little structure. The first thing that we need to make is a factory. So basically you need to create a new factory, call it Thomas, and press save, and now you have a new factory. So Thomas is here. Then after that you have to create a division. A division of course can be a whole place where you create, for example, your hollow cores, all of your beds combined, or can be a hall. So you can make your divisions correspondingly. As you can see here, we have multiple division types. Here I have a transport division, here I have a production and erection, and let's see what else, and of course other. In my case, we need a production division because of course the cast units are under our production process. Let's assume that I have done this, and then we go directly to the cast units, and then of course you can find the corresponding place. I will do it for my sandwich. You see that I have P1, P2, P3, and P4 already, so I'm going to create a new one, and of course it can be called P5. Now you see all of the blue names up here means that you can double click and manage and fix them. P5, that's fine with me. Cast unit type, this is a question I get asked very usually. A table is mainly for wall elements or elements that they're standing up, and bed is usually for slab elements such as hollow cores or normal slabs. The difference is not that big, but has something to do in the background of the database. Strand type, nothing to worry because we're making a table for sandwich walls. Then you can have, of course, multiple shifts. So if your factory works 24/7, then you can make 3 shifts instead of 1. So you can actually change every 8 hours and keep the same beds, shift 1, 2, and 3. In this case, I'll just make 3 shifts. Tolerance X and tolerance Y means the tolerance between the elements when I multicast them. So if I want to have a distance, the shattering, as they call it in England. So if I want the shattering to be 300 between the elements, then put 300 on my tolerance on the X. The position is of course where I manipulate my beds, and I put them on the corresponding X and Y direction. In order to see that a little bit better, you can see here that, for example, my P4 is placed on 0, 0, and maybe I can put the new bed next to it right here. Go back to the resource manager, and I'll say P4 position wise 11, so I'll just make it 11, and then I will make it to be at 10 meters from here. Little mistake. Super. Max length, I will keep it to 9 meters. Width, it is the height, I will keep it 4 meters. And the max height is how much the maximum width of a panel we can allow. In this case, I can say 600 because that's my max. Max element mass, of course, is how much we'll allow per element to be added on on the bed, and max mass is how much we'll allow for the whole bed to bear. For example, I have a big bed, 3 elements, maybe 50 tons, maybe 60 tons. this is something up to you to fix. When I'm here, when I say 0, then I don't have any mass requirements. Say save changes. And then of course I need to restart my system. Let me do that. Now I'm done. And then we go back to the project manager. And you can see my P5 bed is created. I can take it, put it down, and see that from now on, or even before time, I can use my extra bed. It is placed 2 meters ahead of this one, and of course on the same Y level. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and a good weekend when it comes. Bye bye.